Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD beta video. This one's going to be a short one, so this is usually my commute to work. I've been doing this different commute, going to a different parkade for a while. I'm on still 4.4. There's some news today that came out that 4.7 is actually starting to roll out to employees, so hopefully we'll be seeing that version roll out on a wider release to everyone else. So fingers crossed. It's been months. Alright folks, enjoy this video, and I'll show you this route. We've got a lot of very interesting turns, and this is commute at the morning, so this is 7:30 in the morning, so there's a rush hour, and it's going to be, you know, putting FSD beta to its extremes. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. It'll really help me and it'll support me. And if you're watching this on X, please hit the like button and repost if possible, please. Thank you so much. So right now we should be taking a right turn, switching lanes over here. I'm gonna let it drive for a bit, but typically it doesn't do this right off the bat. So here we go. We're getting closer to the exit, so I'm gonna have to intervene. Alright, I'm gonna intervene. A manual signal to go to the right lane over here, because we are actually going to take this exit coming up soon. And since it's rush hour, I'm going to be a little bit more control freak. So it's gonna have to take a right over here. Gonna give it some time. Yeah, and it's doing it, but it's slowing down quite a bit, and not really happy with the, even though our speeds are at 70 or 60. So yeah, another thing also, our autopilot profile is on chill mode. I've been driving chill. Hot take: if you use chill, you get way less interventions on highways and such. Yeah, it's limiting the speed to 40 over here, and we really need to go faster than this. Again, guys, this is rush hour, so I'm intervening quite a bit. And this is one of those very interesting merges over here. I'm gonna have to, yeah, and it didn't really do it, and I kind of had to intervene there with my, or disengage. I was just putting a little bit too much torque onto the wheel, and the car behind me was giving me space, and the car was not really actually following through with the route. But now, okay, it's changing lanes and slowing down. Okay, there we go. I'll speed you up here until we get this another yield coming up soon on an intersection, and that's where things get very interesting. I'm very excited to show you this left turn coming up soon in downtown, where it tends to really mess up. Okay, so this is the exit over here that I'm gonna take. It takes this quite good. It doesn't normally blink. This time it didn't blink for some reason. So hopefully we don't get a slowdown here, and we are getting a slowdown. I'm going to tap on the accelerator just because there's a car right behind me. So another small intervention. That's a very tiny one. It tends to slow down for a yield like that, and then doesn't and then like goes, and then starts picking up speed again. But at that you know, in that scenario, there's no cars coming in from the left hand side. It's bright and clear, so it shouldn't really brake, and the cars behind me get a mixed message when that happens. So over here, if you notice on the top on the left over there, there's 3 green lights and 1 X. This bridge actually acts as a lane reversal bridge. So there's 2 lanes going this way and 2 lanes going the other way. But what happens is that in the morning time, when there's rush hour, that 1 lane reverses so that it's so that it helps with traffic. So here we're coming up to this left turn, and this is where it really messes up. And you can see over here, it's trying very hard to get in. And there we go. And the weird approach of getting into this lane, turning lane. It thinks the green light is actually for us, but it's not. This is a left turning lane, so we should be doing this. But yeah, there you go. That's my disengagement, and this is I've been tracking this left intersection for a while, and it messes up. Even if you're in the second lane, turning lane, like it wanted to be, it does that turn in a very horrible way. And I'll showcase that in another video probably. But I have to manually intervene to get it into that left turning, the middle turning lane. Okay, I'll speed you up, guys, until the traffic light turns green, and then I'll engage. If I engage right now, it's just going to... Actually, the light is red in front of us, so I'm going to engage again, and then I'll speed you guys up when... Interestingly enough, right now, the green light is on, but I think it detects the bridge on our left, or the train tracks, kind of like a stick or whatever you want to call it, blockade. So yeah, well, after this comes off, it might actually want to go forward. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Okay, sorry, that was my fault. And yeah, here we go. And it doesn't actually do the turn properly. So yeah, there you go, guys. This is what I really wanted to showcase. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, and right now it's very easy. It's actually just going right to my parkade over here nearby. So hope you folks like this video, and please hit like and subscribe. And if you're watching this on X, please repost. It'll help me a lot. Thanks, everyone. Have a nice day.